Hello everyone, welcome to Dollar Tree Tuesday. So today I just have a small little haul for you, but I found a couple of things that I've looked for and some things that I didn't know I want. So the first thing I got was this mirror, so sorry for the glare. I'm not using this, I'm actually just using this. I already had one of these and I broke it trying to put a project together, so round 2 of a project that you will be seeing hopefully very soon. Okay, so that was first thing. Then I just picked up some glass and surface spray foam. This stuff is amazing. It works so well. If you just spray it on your surface and then you just take a towel and clean it and then take a microfiber towel afterward and buff it, it works really good. And for $1, I mean, really, it is amazing. Then the other thing I picked up, non-crafty kind of related item, was this mojo sauce. I love this on pork and chicken, and it is really good, and it's in guidelines with my low-carb diet. It's less than 1 carb per serving, and this is a name brand. It's a Mexican name brand, so I really like this stuff, and I use it a lot. Alright, now on to some crafty stuff. I found this and I just thought this was so cute. It has, it's a little wooden plaque, and it is that kind of pressed wood or whatever. And it says first and forever, and it's got family, and it's got this cute little metal tag. It's very farmhouse, but it's also it could be a very coastal vibe because of the colors and stuff. And I thought that was really cute. And then I picked up a couple of these, and now I wish I would have gotten more, and I may go back and get some more, but I have looked for these, and it's this. Look how stinking cute these are. Oh my goodness. The frames, and this is galvanized metal, and it will come out, so you can take them off. It's got the little frame here, but it's got little things here that you can take them off with. But I saw an idea on Pinterest, and I thought, oh my goodness, how cute. So I need a couple more of these. But it is real wood. It's not even like, it's really cool. It's very well constructed. So it's very sturdy. So I may go back, and if I can find them again, and pick up maybe another one of these. But that's really cute. So I thought those were really cute finds. And, yeah, like I couldn't find a whole lot of new stuff this time. My Dollar Tree sometimes is a little slow getting the new stuff, but at other times they get it before everybody else. Now, this is something I have been wanting to find. It's the As Seen on TV problem. It's called the Quick Whisk Mini. And it's just a little whisk. And let's see what this little thingy looks like. If I can get it open. Should have did this beforehand, sorry. Well, let's take this right here and do this right here. You ever use your keys for a little knife? Okay, so this is what it looks like. Like a little mini whisk, and it's packaged really good. So it looks like this, and I guess you push down on it. Okay, you need something hard to push on it, and my hand is not it, so let's see if we can get this to show you like this. So it does work. I don't know how well it works mixing up stuff, but I'm going to find out really soon because I am going to use this. So I'm just going to leave it out of the package, go throw it in the dishwasher with my other stuff, and yeah, and I'll let you know how it works. Pretty nifty though. Then I found these big cups. It's called Sit Back and Relax. Isn't that cute? And there's 2 of them. They are, and they come with the straws that are attached. And they have the straws, they have the little thing on it to keep them from coming through the cups. So they are BPA free, and I'm trying to see about what size. They look about to be maybe 24 ounces or something like that. But I just thought these were really cute, and you get 2 of them for $1. So I only picked up 2 of the, just one package of these of 2. Then I picked up a couple little baby things to go in my little basket that I am building for my friend who's having a little boy. And I picked up this. Isn't this cute, y'all? This is a bandana bib. Really cute. It's terry cloth. Very soft. Has Velcro. It fastens with Velcro. And I just thought that was really cute. And then I'm pretty sure this is probably not the best quality there is, but it was very cute. It says it's 100% polyester, but it's a hooded towel. And I just thought that was very cute. And sticking all in the blue theme that I have. So, then I found a couple more little thingies. So, I like these little sponge daubers, and I'm not seeing any quite like this at our Dollar Tree before, so I did pick up a pack of those. They're really nice, especially when you're doing stenciling and stuff. They don't leak quite as much underneath the stencil. And then I found some stickers. These are really cute. These are some new stickers, like planner stickers, but you know, you can take a look at this and you know why I loved them. Look. Macaroons. Cupcakes. Y'all, this is just too stinking cute. Look at the boxes. Somebody's been paying attention. And then on the back, they have more macaroons with, let's see if I can get them closer without a glare, with to do on them and to go, to do, fun and party. Thought these were really cute. Like I said, I have a couple of nieces that plan. And, you know, you can also use these stickers, not necessarily for planning, but to put on other things, to decorate other stuff. So then I found this one. This one is beautiful. And this isn't so much, I don't consider this one a planner. I see a journal in mine. But look at this. Aren't those pretty with the roses and stuff? And look, tags and little boxes and little flags. And then this is the back. Y'all, look at that gorgeous hummingbird. Oh my goodness. These are lovely. So I really like these. These are staying at my house. I shall not be giving them away. And then this is just precious. This is a planner thing, but look at this. Look at the to-do list and this week and the page flags that says don't forget, but all the pretty florals on the bottom, and then this is the back. Very, very pretty. Sorry, I am trying to make this where it won't glare, but it's just not working. And then I picked up 2 of these. I don't know why I picked up 2. Maybe I thought I was getting something else. But anyway, this one is more of, I see more of a journaling type thing. But look at this one. This is so cute. It's got enduring forever. It's got a little Eiffel Tower. Love you more. True love. This is what the front looks like. And then this is the back. Really cute. Really cute. So I picked up those. And then I picked up, I went back in the metal flowers, the little stickers that I got last time that looked like, to me, stained glass with the metal. I went and picked up the unicorn ones. Michelle, this is coming to you. And then I've seen, you remember the little Coca-Cola bottles and stuff, the foil stickers that they had? I don't remember picking up a couple of these. I remember picking up the Coca-Cola bottle look, but I don't remember picking up these kind of bottle ones. So I did pick these up. I think these are pretty. You know, these are some of the prettiest stickers. This looks like it's just watercolored with, or stained with the metal around it. But I just think that is just beautiful. And then I did pick these up. These are the mason jar ones, and I may have gotten these, but I love them so much I don't care. I'll get them again, but I don't remember picking these up. But look how stinking cute those are. And then I know I picked up the perfume bottles, but here's some different ones. And these were just, I mean, they're just so pretty. Look at these. So I thought those were really pretty. I only found a few stickers, like I said, but I think I scored on those. Those are just, I just think they're beautiful. So I got those. Then the last couple of things I got are for my bathroom. And I went ahead, you know, I picked up the white baskets, but I decided to go ahead and get these blue ones. Now you only got 2 to these, but they matched everything else. And I did pick up another one of these containers right here. I decided that I needed the one that I got for my bathroom, so I picked this one up for the baby shower basket that I am making. So that is it to my little tiny haul. Tell me what your favorite thing was. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that the stickers are a close front runner for me. And then I'll let you know about this. I think that's pretty cool. I'll be using it really soon. And I mean, I like everything I picked up, but I think my favorite really are the stickers this week. And no, well, between the stickers and the little galvanized metal clipboards, those are cute too. All right, you guys, I'm done, and I will see you all later. And don't forget, let me know what you like best down in the comment box. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button down there and make sure you tap the bell, so you should be notified every time I upload. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye.